It's the limited edition Winter Chill Wantable box. So if you want to see what they sent me and how it looks on, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging out behind me and Chloe's off doing her own thing. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is the Wantable Winter Chill Limited Edition box, and it did come with a gift. You do have to buy one item in order to get the free gift. Breaking things up, Bandit? And I need some sweaters because a lot of my sweaters, I'm like wearing them and then giving them away because they're too big. I wore one yesterday that was one of my favorites and oh, it wasn't good. So I am in need of some new sweaters. So I'm hoping they put some fabulous sweaters in there. This is what I asked for at least. Let's check it out and see. They do send a bag to send anything back that you decide not to keep. And there is a card with your prices and a note from your stylist, and it sends you pictures of what they are so you kind of have a better idea. It looks like I got 2 sale items in here, and that's exciting. Who was my stylist? Taylor. Taylor usually does a good job when I get. If you're not familiar with Wantable, they do have a stream in which you can request items, and Taylor's really good at adding in a lot of the things from my request. So I really like that. And then she'll throw in usually like 1 or 2 things that she thinks based upon the things that I like that I might like to try. So I do enjoy that. So let's see how she did this time. Now also, if you've never tried Wantable before, I do have a code down below that's going to get you $25 off of your first edit. It also gives me $25 off of my next edit. So it's a win-win for us, right? All right, let's take a sneak peek. I'm seeing fuzziness. All right, let's look and see what they sent. Right on top is the beanie and mittens, and these are the Wantable name brand. They feel like mucklucks. The mittens are lined. That was one of the most important things for me, because when you have a cable knit like this and it's not lined and you live in a cold climate, which it does get, it's snowing tonight and I'm filming on the 20th, yeah, it'll go right through there. So that's great. The hat also lined in that same, it's like a fuzzy piece. I'm not really sure what you would call that. First thing I see, I have something probably exactly the same as this. This is by Sadie and Sage, and it is gorgeous. I love it, but I own it. I think I got it from Stitch Fix. It's probably a different brand, but looks exactly the same. We'll still try it on though. Watch, that'll be the one thing on sale. By Apricot, we have this gorgeous warm looking sweater. I love the little colors in there. By Dex, and this looks like it's a cardigan. Oh yes, please. Love cardigans. And this is so pretty. It's a brown, but it's got some yellows and peach and white. By Horizon, and this is so funny story. They have a sweater edit, and this sweater is in the picture, and I ordered it so I could get this sweater, and here it is. I didn't even need to order it, but this is actually, it's looking yellow, white, but it's a very pale yellow, and it is super soft and fuzzy. By 78 and Sunny, we have this 3/4 zip fuzzy hoodie. I actually have this pattern, but it's totally open. I wear it like with pajamas when I'm taking the dog out. So that's something I could actually wear to work. By Democracy, we have these pants with these different style pockets. Very nice. These look to be a straight leg, so nice. And by 78 and Sunny, we have some wide leg jeans. These have a ripped seam at the bottom, but not too bad. Sometimes if it's really frayed, they look like pirate pants. I don't like that. All right, we're gonna get to trying stuff on. I've got to find a top that's gonna look nice under those two cardigans, but I will be right back. Okay, here is the first outfit, and I love the sweater. The pants are nice. They're a little snug, which I'm surprised because Democracy usually runs a little large. So I'm a little surprised at that, but that wouldn't put him out of the game because, you know, I am working with a nutritionist. I've already lost weight. I'm continuing even through the holiday season. I've been so very good, so very good. So I don't know. We'll see if the price is right. I like this cardigan, but I feel like it's got pockets here, right? And I feel like the pockets are maybe making it kind of like puff out there. So I'm not sure about that, but it is nice and cozy. Feels nice on. I really like it. I'm loving the length of these pants though. That's divine. I love how they're wider legged and they go cute with these little boots. Let's look at some prices though. This is the striped open front cardigan in neutral melange, size medium. And it's originally $90 and it's on sale for $67.50. So here's just one little tip. If you're going through the stream and you see things that are too expensive, don't necessarily decline them unless you're like, I wouldn't want that even at half price, because sometimes it'll be really pricey, but then when you get it, it's on sale. So, and if you don't get it on sale, you can always re-request it and see what happens too. And just tell them like the price wasn't right, but I'm gonna, you know, if it goes on sale, I'd love to see it in another box. And then the pants are the Absolution Skyrise Relaxed Utility Straight Leg and Candy Yam, size 10, originally $78, but on sale for $58.50. So that's a really good price for Democracy. So I would certainly consider them. Tell me your thoughts on this outfit. What do you think? All right, we're gonna try on the next outfit. All right, so now I have on the sweater by Apricot, and it's nice and kind of boxy, baggy. I do like that. It's got some pretty colors in there. This is the Space Dyes Lines Fisherman Jumper in cream, size medium, 88. That's a little pricey. I would say I like $48 like this. I don't, the neck's a little high. I like the colors in here. It's definitely like, and yeah, I don't know that I $88 like this. So the discount that you get with this is, I think this is 25% off, yes. But I think with this one, no matter how many items you got, so if you only got 2, you only got 1, I believe it was still 25% off. Yes, I think so. So that means I don't have to get 5 if I still want that discount. All right, let's try something else. All right, I am back with the 78 and Sunny jeans and this fuzzy sweater that I am just in love with. Love it with this burgundy top. It's super soft. It's got some nice pockets, super cozy. Love it. The pants, I love the wide legs here, very nice. They're a perfect length, so I don't even have to worry about getting them well, cutting them because I'm not going to hem jeans. That's just not going to happen. But no, they're a perfect length, so that's great. All right, this is the Campfire Cardigan by Horizon in cream, size medium, $79. But I'm going to tell you what, yeah, I'd pay $80 for this. All right, and then these are the Joni wide leg jeans in light wash, size 10 by 78 in sunny. These are $89, a little pricey, but when you're 5'2", walking into Marshall's or TJ Maxx or almost any store and finding pants in particular that are the right length is a challenge, and I would rather just have them delivered to me and have them fit perfectly, and I'm good. These are both definitely in the running. All right, we've got a couple more things to try on. One of them, it is the same exact name brand and everything, but we'll show you that next. All right. I am back with that Dalman top, and again, it is the same exact brand and everything. It's not even considerably smaller to make it worth the while. It actually looks to be the same size. This is the Billy Dalman top in burgundy, size medium, by Sadie and Sage, $54. Again, the one I have is a size large. It's not an extra large, so it'll work for a while more. And I mean, this is nice, but it's not considerably smaller. It actually feels to be a little bigger, but they're the same brand, so they must be the same. So yeah, this will definitely go back. All right. Last outfit. And here is that last fleece 3/4 zip, and super cozy, super warm. This would be perfect for my office on days where it is not sunny, because the sun typically is my heater, and if the sun is not bright and sunny, then my office is freezing. All right, so let's talk about this. This is the printed Sherpa 1/4 zip in ivory mauve camo, and that is a medium by 78 in sunny, $79. And I think it definitely is worth it for me, because again, the other one that I have is more of a loungewear piece that you wouldn't typically wear to work, but this I could 100% wear to work. So love it. All right, well, tell me your thoughts though. What was your favorite outfit or item? And yeah, let me know in the comments below. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. Remember, there's that discount code down below if you want to use it. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.